here, starting off with some appetizers. Soups and salads. Pastas. Which I am a little tempted on some pasta. Sides. Add-ons. Seafood. Beef, pork, and chicken. All right, backside. If you want to read that, it says 30 years ago, their very first location. Birds, waterfalls, thunder. There's fish everywhere. There's gorillas, there's snakes, there's zebras, there's monkeys. There's birds. Look at that big bird above us. Wow. Wow, look at that steam coming off.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome landers to the club members panel, Safari and 4. Please make your way to the flower figure. Adventure's about to begin. That's landers to the club members panel.
Ooh, look at that.
Rainforest Cafe will Maria, Safari and 4. That's Maria, Safari and 4.
These are your souvenir cups. Collectible characters for the kids. It's a monkey! Oh, I love the theming. I think it's really cool. It's sour. We just did a lemon and it was sour. Just trying to figure out what to get, right? Yeah!
I know what the song was.
Dad, do it. Oh, so sour. Do it. Amelia's gonna do it. Oh, so sour. Oh, so sour. Oh! Storm's coming, babies. It's too scary.
Take your time, guys. I'll give you a couple minutes and be right back with you.
Oh no, the monkeys! The monkey's scared too! This is a kid's pasta, linguine and marinara with a side of yogurt. Came with the oranges. 2 burgers, kids burger, with apples and oranges.
Good?
Yeah.
Eat your burger. Little burger. You want to try her pasta? Did she try your pasta?
Adventure's about to begin. That's Dustin, Safari and 4.
What do you bring, Jar?
That's the pasta. The
Red sauce.
Wow.
Wow. Mommy's thinking about getting pasta. No, you eat. You're hungry. A monkey pasta. Too big? You guys are just wanting to be silly.
Yeah, that's in the big.
You are
Mommy, too big.
too big.
Everybody have a vegan barbecue burger.
Wow. Daddy? Oh, wow. Good job, buddy.
right, we got some loaded nachos here. Take a look. I love my globs of sour cream.
Sour cream?
Yeah, get in there, girl. There's some sour cream. Yeah.
Cream! We need help.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Hot.
Salsa time.
What's the salsa? Salsa good?
She thinks it's hot. Get the monkeys all riled up. Whoa, look at that, Dad. Dang. It's really good. Are you getting like a TGI Fridays vibe from it?
Better, way better.
Well, back when they were golden.
The beans are really good.
Yeah, it's all good. I got the anaconda pasta, tomatoes, mushrooms, seasonal vegetables, parmesan, and a white wine sauce. No meat. And I did linguine. They do it allergy friendly, so I'm gonna take a bite. It's pretty hot. Definitely has a little bit of white wine. I'd say more tomato heavy, but I like it. I was in the mood for pasta, so get yourself the anaconda pasta, or the python is more Alfredo based. I love lots of vegetables in my pasta though. Yum.
Sausa's got a little kick to it. And mama's.
I'm not really, it said it had red pepper flakes. I'm not getting a whole lot of red pepper flake going on. Definitely some basil, more tomato based forward, a little bit of white wine, but not really any red pepper flakes. Okay, so we got the beef lava nachos. It says it serves 2 for $21.99. I highly recommend. That was good for mom and dad and kids. I got the anaconda pasta for $21.99. I got it with the linguine versus the gluten-sensitive pasta. I thought it was really good, fresh tasting. I didn't really get any red pepper flakes in it, but you could tell it was more of a tomato sauce with a little bit of a white wine and some basil and shaved Parmesan. So nice and light. I didn't add any meat to it. You can add meat for an extra charge, but I thought it was good. And then we got kids entrees. We got the Rainforest Rascals, which are charred grilled mini burgers. Came with 2 with cheese on it and a choice of side and a drink for $11.99. And we got chocolate milk, which it was free refills for that, and it came in a little container. That's pretty cute. And then we got the Python pasta. You can get Alfredo, butter, or marinara. We got the marinara. Girls ate it right up. It was just what they wanted today. Again, with a side and a drink for $11.99. We didn't save room for dessert, unfortunately, and we didn't get any alcoholic beverages. But yeah, so total came to around 75 bucks before tips. So kind of an expensive lunch, but you are paying for the theming. And if you do want to eat here at the Animal Kingdom Rainforest Cafe, hi baby, you will have to pay for parking, but you don't need a ticket to enter because it's right outside the park. So pay for parking if you're not an annual pass holder, and like I said, right outside the park, so you don't need a park ticket to enter. And I believe they do maybe have a restaurant at Disney Springs, but don't quote me on that. And they also said if you really wanted to, you could park at Disney Springs, because parking at Disney Springs is free, and you could take a bus over here to Animal Kingdom. So there you go. Would I eat there again? Yeah, my kids enjoyed it. It was nice theming and everything. Food was decent, just a little pricey, but big quantity size. The nachos were huge. Nachos were excellent. I really did enjoy those. So yeah, I think it's worth it. Do it for your family at least once or on a special occasion, and just to enjoy the theming. Like the girls thought they, you know, dined with animals, and that's what it was all about. So
more quantity of food than
yeah, a little bit of a more quantity of food than maybe what you would get if you dined in at the park. Sometimes you get something at the park and it's like not big on the quantity, but you paid still 20 bucks for it. So we got to-go boxes where I'm taking half of my pasta home because we all got really full on the nachos, and the kids are taking their burgers home. So yeah, it was good. Go try it out. Yum. They're little K-pop dancers.